Hello everyone, this is Rabia and today we're going to be learning how to create these extremely realistic looking shadows. And in this video you will also learn how to cut out the tiger with the hair and remove the background. Here we have our tiger photo open and this is completely one photo as you can see. Now we will try to remove the background. So let's go to our eraser tool and you're going to select background eraser tool. Okay. For the hardness, make sure it is 50% and you are going to select sampling once. Limits, make sure it is the discontinuous, however you pronounce it, I don't care. And tolerance should be, depending on your photo, tolerance should be like higher or lower. For this photo, I'm going to use 18%. And now what you're going to do is make sure you hit option and select the colors of the tiger around the edges. So when you remove your background, you're going to protect those colors. Whoa, look at that. So easy. Okay. Now I feel like my edges are still imperfect. So I'm going to try to, I think that was fine. Oh, no. See? Remember I asked you guys questions on my Instagram and one of the answers was like, I hate when Adobe Photoshop closes on me. So now our photo is still imperfect, so we will go to our regular eraser tool. I'm just going to increase my size and erase the rest of the cover. So if you click on the thumbnail pressing Command, you will see how our tiger layer is now separate. Now I'm going to create a different color background just so we can complete our photo. Better. Okay. So now I'm going to move my tiger to the side. I'm going to duplicate my layer for the shadow and move it down below. Now we will try to make our duplicate layer a solid color. So what we're going to do is Command, press the thumbnail, right click, go to fill, go to color. I like to use the background color and go a little darker so my shadow doesn't look all black and look more like a realistic. Command D to deselect. Now you have probably noticed my edges are like my inside of my tiger is a little imperfect, so I'm going to fill it up using spot healing tool. You don't have to do every single edge, but just like in the middle, if you see any imperfections, just fill it up. Looking good. Now I'm going to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Whoa, look at that. I love this stuff. Okay. So now I'm going to keep it to about 10 pixels and then go to blur and box blur. It adds a little bit more to it. Since we have this, you'll probably notice my front tiger has imperfections. So just grab an eraser tool and clean it up. This bad boy. We have our shadow done. I'm just going to go to my rectangle layer, rasterize it, and I'm just going to add a little light effect just so it looks like the tiger is being photo shooted. So this is how I create my realistic looking shadows, and you also learn how to remove the background while keeping the hair nice, crisp, and sharp. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you learned anything from this video, please comment down below. Let me know how you like it and let me know how you normally use your shadows and if this technique helped you or no. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you guys again.